My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. It's a new year, ladies and gentlemen, and that means it is time for a brand new ONETIGRIS folding table. Every year, around this time, ONETIGRIS releases a new table that is designed for camping and backpacking purposes. Previously, we had the worktop table, then last year we had the dipper table, and now we have the Ventara. The worktop table was excellent. Low weight, strong, sturdy, it set up quick. With the dipper, that was a real step backwards, and it's because of the overall design of the table. Basically, the company, ONETIGRIS, they separated all of the components, meaning to set up the table, you would have like 9 or 10 different steps. In a nutshell, the table weighed quite a bit. It was almost 3 pounds, which was too heavy for backpacking purposes. And also the setup process and the breakdown process was really complicated and also cumbersome. Because of that, after I got done testing the dipper table, I put up my review, I ended up selling that table, and I haven't thought about it since. Not until recently, when the company released the Ventara table. This is a return to form, so to speak. This is lighter weight, and the setup process is really, really simple. That, my friends, is what this episode is all about. And with that being said, let's get started. Let's take a look at the Ventara table from ONETIGRIS. What you're looking at here is the storage bag for the Ventara table. We have a grab handle up here at the top. We have a single zipper that goes across the body, and we also have some webbing that goes across the body. Opening this up is nice and easy. We do have a good zipper pull here. Here we have the tabletop. Here we have the frame, and here we have the 2 support bars. Also, some setup instructions are included. When it comes to setting up the frame here for this table, the company has made this incredibly easy. Undo the compression strap, fold, or I should say unfold. And just like that, everything has been unfolded. This features a quick to deploy frame system, and this is a welcome change compared to the dipper. The dipper, the frame was 2 pieces, the legs were 4 pieces, the supports were 2 pieces. I want to say maybe there were 4 supports. Then you had the top, and then you had like the mesh bags. It was a big, cumbersome mess. I do not know why the company went that direction, but that was a mistake. This here is substantially better. Once you have the frame deployed, then it's time for the 2 support bars. They fold together and then latch on just like that. From there, we could take the tabletop and place that on top. The final step involves attaching these mesh pockets here on the side. They are pre-attached to the table, they cannot be removed. In each of the corners you have these hooks, and on the legs you have these rings. Those hooks latch on to those rings. Just like that, the Ventara table can be set up. It is a very, very simple setup process. So simple, in fact, yesterday this table arrived. I gave it to Susie to set up. She didn't look at the instructions, and she's never set up a table like this before. Beautiful Susie was able to set this up in less than a minute with no instructions at all. It is very intuitive. Everything here makes sense. The breakdown process is just as easy. There's nothing to it. As far as the features go, this table overall is very, very simple. You have the large tabletop, and you have reinforcements that keep it rigid across the top. When it comes to rigidity, this is without a doubt the most rigid table that ONETIGRIS has made. On the sides, we have the mesh pockets. You have a sleeve here, and on the other side, you have the exact same thing, 2 sleeves. Again, when it comes to these mesh pockets, they are integrated. You cannot remove them. They're sewn on. You could take them off technically, but it wouldn't look good and it would take a ton of work. Now that we've taken a look at the table, let's go over some stats real quick, and then I'll share with you all my impressions concerning this. So when it comes to colors, you can find this in one, coyote brown, and that is it. When it's set up, it is 24.2 inches long, 17 inches wide, and it stands 15 inches tall. When it's stored, 23.6 inches long by 3.9 by 3.5 inches. The weight limit for this table is 66 pounds. The weight of this table on my scale is 2.5 pounds, and that includes the storage bag. That makes this table half a pound lighter than the Dipper. When it comes to the materials, they are exactly the same as the Dipper. You're looking at a 600 denier polyester top and a 70/75 aluminum frame. The price for this table is exactly what I would expect. It's $55 at the time of filming on Amazon. Also, there's a 20% off coupon on Amazon at the time of filming. I do not know if that coupon will be on Amazon once this video goes live. Now everyone, let's go over my impressions of this table. Right off the bat, I have to say I'm impressed. ONETIGRIS has done just about everything right with this table. The setup process is nice and easy. The same could be said for the breakdown process. It is lighter weight than the Dipper, the quality is better than the Dipper, and the company has kept the price in what I think is the right zone. $55 for this table, it makes sense when you look at the materials and the size of this. The construction is excellent. There's no loose threads. Everything here looks really well made. This is, in my opinion at least, the best made ONETIGRIS table to date. Concerning the size of this table, this is perfect for 2 people. Maybe a few more in a pinch as long as they have small plates and whatnot. But for 2 people, full-size plates, cups and whatnot, at the same time, the table is very sturdy. And that is obviously the next pro for this table here. It is very, very sturdy. You could be cooking dinner on this, doing what you need to do. You could be cutting up a steak, and you don't have to worry about everything on this table flying off like you do with some tables. Basically, you have internal slats that offer rigidity. In between these slats, you have poles. That makes this entire thing here very stable and very rigid. With the mesh pockets, while the quality is good for these, and the sizes are good, I wish they were not integrated into the table itself. Let's say that you wanted to take this out on a short distance overnight camp, right? A backpacking trip. But you want to go as lightweight as possible. These add a fair amount of weight to this system, and it would be nice if they were not integrated. How useful these are depends on your style of use when it comes to this table. For myself, I've never found any of the mesh attachments to be worthwhile. And it doesn't matter if they mount on the side or underneath the table. I've never been in the situation where I actually found them useful. You may be different though, and you may love them, and that's great. But for myself, these tend to add very little to the overall system that is offered. For car camping, truck camping purposes, the weight of this, it doesn't matter, it's not bad. For backpacking purposes, 2.5 pounds, that's not bad either. But again, I wish it was just a little bit less. Every ounce counts when you're out on a trail. And that's why being able to remove these side mesh pockets would be so beneficial. But as it is, 2.5 pounds for a table, that is not bad for backpacking purposes. Yes, this is a luxury item. But if you're not hiking a far distance, you can easily bring something like this with you. And it does provide you with a lot of benefit. A huge pro for this table is the fact that the storage bag is large enough to actually fit the table inside of it. With last year's Dipper table, the storage bag was too small. So once you got all of the components inside of it and you tried to zip it up, either you would not be able to zip it closed, or if you did zip it closed, the zipper would bust, it would break apart. And that's because the storage bag was so incredibly small. Luckily, the company has fixed that issue, and the storage bag here is rather large. Concerning the Ventara table, that is all for now. This is going into testing, and I cannot wait to get this out on my next trip. This table is looking extremely promising, everyone. The top is very secure, whereas with the Dipper, it wasn't. The top would pop off rather easily. With this table here, it latches on, and it latches on good. The setup process is so much easier than the previous version. It's lighter weight, it's more stable, more rigid. Everything about this table, for the most part, is a win, especially when you compare it to the Dipper. Good job for ONETIGRIS for listening to the feedback that I and others gave. This is a substantially better product than the previous table. As it stands right now, this is a major go. This is looking very promising. Do know this preview is agenda free. I purchased this with my own money so I can share information with you all, and that is it. I do not care if you purchase this. If you found this episode enjoyable, if you found it helpful, please hit the thumbs up. That's a great way to support this channel. Also, if you want to join the Wolf Pack, you can do so. Patreon, YouTube, oh yeah. Make sure to sound off in the comment section down below. What do you all think about the latest table from ONETIGRIS? Until next time, take care, be well, strength and honor. Bye for now.